Thanks for checking out Hemlock Mountain Outdoors. I'm Kurt, and this video I'm going to show you how to swap out your standard cinch buckle suspension for a set of Whoopie Slings. In this video, I'm going to use a West Rim 9 just because it's small and easy to work with inside. I'm going to take the stuff sack, put it off to the side, and we're just going to do one end because it's the same for both. First thing you do, you get an end of your hammock, and you're going to look for the kind of end of the lark's head here. You see where it's fed through itself. If you've sat in it, it's probably locked down a little bit. You just slide it over and work it a little bit until it loosens up. Once it's loosened up, you just pull the cinch buckle out, and that way it's kind of free. But you don't want to just pull it out. Before we go ahead and pull that through, I'm going to just loop that through loosely real quick and go over to my Whoopie Sling here. And I'm going to go to the fixed loop, the fixed eye loop. So when you're looking at this, the Whoopie Sling, you're going to have your adjustable loop here, which has got a bead on it. There'll be one green. There'll be one green and one orange. This is the orange one. And that's just so you know which side is which at a glance. That's going to feed through your berry. And on the other end, you're going to have the tail, which has no loop in it. And then you're going to have your fixed loop. This is what we're looking for. We're going to take this fixed loop, and to make this as easy as possible, I'm going to use a paper clip. Now you can use a paper clip, you can use tape if it's strong enough, twist tie, whatever you got laying around. We're going to feed. So we're going to take that. We're going to take this paper clip, open it up a little bit. We're going to go back to our hammock. We're going to loosen this up again, and pay attention to which way this is going to pull through. We're going to pull the cinch buckle this way, right? Back this way. So you want to take your paper clip, whatever you're using, make sure that if there's any sharp ends, any pointy ends, they're going away from the direction you're pulling. So open that up a little bit. We're going to feed this through. We're going to take the fixed eye. We're going to put that in, like so. And then we'll just close it up real quick. Then I'm going to pull this side through. We're going to take the cinch buckle. We're going to pull this. And we pulled our eye right through. You're going to take the paper clip out. Put your cinch buckle aside. And then grab the adjustable loop of your Whoopie Sling where the bead is, and feed that through your fixed eye. And just pull that through, right down to the tail, pull that through, and then start to tighten it down. As you're tightening that down, put your hand on the inside of the hammock. So the side you'd lay in, this would be the outside of the hammock. Put your hand in there and just make sure that you keep this fairly well proportioned. And keep it as even as you can. Make sure there's nothing really bunched up or folding in a weird way. Then you just simply cinch that down until it all closes up. You pull out any bunches, and you're ready to hang up your hammock. When you sit in it the first time, this will tighten down a little bit. So if you feel it kind of loosen up, that's why. It's not actually loosening at the berry. It's just tightening. So you're going to get a little more length out of this as you sit in it. You repeat that process for your other side. And then if you have a ridge line that you want to put on, you would then just go to the end of your Whoopie sling again, take your ridge line, feed it through, and just draw that all the way down. Take your eye through, or your tail through, like so. Pull all that back out, so you just got the one strand. You put your fixed eye of your ridge line on there, and then you do the other side. You do the exact same thing. That is how you switch out a cinch buckle system for a Whoopie sling, or even if you want to go from cinch buckles just to another set of cinch buckles, or whatever you got. If you're just going to put on standard loops, continuous loops, you do the same thing. Just pull one through with the other. You can feed it through without that. It just takes longer. It's a little bit more of a hassle. It's a nice simple way, and it's super fast, easy to do. Now you're ready to go. You can go put your tree huggers on your tree, connect this to your carabiner or your soft shackle, whatever you're going to use to connect it. Move on with the day. Go outside and enjoy it. Hope this helped you out. I got another video showing you how to install a set of cinch buckles, which is basically the same thing we just did. But if you're just looking for the cinch buckle version of it, if you're taking off Whoopie slings or just continuous loops or some other setup that you have on your hammock, I'll put a link to that down the bottom as well. Hope this helped you out. Enjoy your hammock. Thanks for checking out Hemlock Mountain. Enjoy your hammock. Go outside. Enjoy yourselves. Thanks for checking out Hemlock Mountain Outdoors. See you in the next.